Hello boys and girls, we are the Mpact recycling team and we're here today with our very special friend Ronnie Recycler. Can you all say hello Ronnie?
Hello Ronnie!
We're here today to speak about recycling. Recycling is when we take something old and used and turn it into something new.
Yay!
Ronnie is very hungry, but he's only hungry for certain special kinds of food. Ronnie only eats recyclable material. What we mean by this is that Ronnie takes the recyclable material and turns it into something new.
Now, Ronnie, let's show the learners what paper and cardboard you can eat. Do you know what this is? Yes, of course you do. It's white paper. Can Ronnie eat white paper? Yes. Did you see that Ronnie's white paper went into the bag labeled white paper only? At your school, you will have a bag labeled white paper only. It is very important for you to keep Ronnie's white paper separate.
Do you know what this is? Of course you do. It's cardboard. Can Ronnie eat cardboard? Of course he can. Now how do we recycle cardboard? We flatten it out the exact same way this cardboard is flattened out, making it easier for Ronnie to eat. Did you notice that Ronnie placed the cardboard in a bag specifically for cardboard? Now this is important when we're recycling to separate the cardboard from the rest of the paper. At your school, you'll have a bag specifically for cardboard.
Do you know what this is? This is a milk box. Now, do you know what's going to happen to Ronnie if he drinks the milk inside this box? Ronnie will get very sick. This is because milk is your food and Ronnie's food is this box. This box is made out of cardboard, which means Ronnie can recycle it. Now, how do you recycle the milk box? You first have to flatten it like this so it's easy for Ronnie to eat. Can you see that Ronnie placed the milk box inside a bag labeled flattened milk and juice bottles only? Now at your school, you have a bag labeled flattened milk and juice cartons. So you can separate your flattened milk juice bottles from other papers and cardboards. Remember, the juice boxes go in the same bag as the milk boxes. Thank you, Ronnie.
Do you know what this is? Yes, it's mixed paper material. Now, do you think Ronnie can eat all of these different types of material? Yes, he can, because all these materials are made out of paper. So Ronnie can definitely recycle it. At your school, you will have this big green igloo that's called a paper bank for you to place all your mixed paper into.
So what happens to all your recyclables after you fed it to Ronnie? Your white paper is used in the tissue industry and is turned into toilet paper and tissues. Your cardboard is turned into new cardboard boxes. Your milk and juice cartons is turned into new packaging. And lastly, all your mixed paper is turned into paper reels, which is then turned into cereal boxes and tissue boxes.
Now, why is it important to recycle? Recycling is important because it helps us keep our environment clean. That means our homes, our schools, our parks, and our rivers. Recycling is also very important because it helps to keep Ronnie's food out of the landfills. And lastly, by recycling, you help your school to raise funds because Ronnie pays your school for your recycling.
Yay!
Now, it's very important that we always wash our hands or sanitize after recycling, because it is very important that we keep safe. Thank you for watching, guys, and keep on recycling.